in this club, cheap floor, mass cat slang. Angelidoh Show, stereo music, broadcast, podcast.
You're rocking out with DJ Cheap Mexican, Mexican,
you know, shit is wild.
Angelidoh Show.
Can't complain though, I'm alive, healthy and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to do my thing. Praise the all. Bust it, that nigga Slick Rick said, I waited a long time sweating it. I got jerk, but now I'm getting it. Hazy like asthma, bizarre disaster. Stress almost held me down from being the master, the pastor, preacher, poet, a teacher. It's been so long. Like Monifa, believe that I'm needed in rapping. I breathe this. Some pick up a microphone and can't even achieve this. Oscar award winning, your shit, I'm bored with it. Stop copycatting, son. Why? Cause your dog did it. Get your own lingo, make up your own jingle. 10 years later, you be biting my single. Primo, take it downtown swinging, intervening on the board. Sesame Mill steaming, yeah. Catch the vibe like a tribal dance. In the clubs on the low with the b-boy stance. Money rubbing with a shorty, got bummed by a chump. Tell him step off, I'm doing the hump. Yeah, I say it's my world, and I won't stop. And if you stand in my way, you're bound to get dropped. Some wish that I was gone, cause they know I'ma win. In a minute, I'll be making 6 G's times 10. I'm the computer, printing out data, take notes, then analyze the information and press send. Freaky like porno, Ron Jeremy Sono. Obstacle of pussy to stop them from boning the hole. Me and the mic, double trouble. Chicks look at us like twins, all lovable and huggable. Prognosis on the mic, I choke out. Had the same effects from coughing, blowing smoke out. Architect, rap technician, man, listen, it's no doubt you're gonna pump this in your system. My skills ill, and all of that above. Confidence, I'm not worried about a street buzz. I'm OC. Who you? I never heard of you. Get out my face before I turn into a motherfucking murderer. I want the grain like Endo, a mansion, a car, a wife who's never been a bimbo. Too much to ask, well, to me that's simple. Wanna retire on the yacht, call a SS Minnow. It's my war game. War game. Hey, let's go. Time's up. Time's up. You lack the minerals and vitamins, irons in the niacin. Fuck who that I offend. Rappers sit back, I'm about to begin. Bout foul talking squaw. Never even walked the walk. More or less destined to get tested. Never been arrested. My album will manifest many things that I saw, did, or heard about, or told firsthand. Never word of mouth. What's in the future for the fusion and the change? Of rappers are in danger. Who will use wits to be a remainder? When the missile is aimed to blow you out of the frame. Some will keep their limbs in, some will be maimed. The same suckers with the gab about killer instincts return bitchin', knowing damn well they lack in this division. The connoisseur, cracking your head with a 4x4. Realize, sucker, I be the coming like Noah. Always simmer you down, perpetrating facade in what you consider an image. To me, this is just a scrimmage. I feel I'm stoned, not cause of Papa wear my cap cock. The more emotion I put into it, the harder I rock. Those who pose lyrical but really ain't true, I feel. Limited, hard rock. Speaking in tongues about what you did, but you never done it. Admit it, you did it, cause the next man came platinum behind it. I find it ironic, so I researched and analyzed. Most write about stuff they fantasize. I'm fed up with the bull on this focus of weed and clips and Glocks getting caught and wax not being flipped. It's the same old, just straining from the anal. The contact is not complex, the vex. So why you pushing it? Why you lying for? I know where you live, I know your folks. You was a sucker as a kid. Your persona's drama that you acquired in high school and acting class. Your whole aura is plexiglass. What's the face told me you shot this kid last week in the park? That's a lie. You was in church with your mom. See, I know. Yo, slow your roll, get it good to go. Guys be locking in this thing called rapping just for dough. Of course we gotta pay rent, so money connects. But I'd rather be broke and have a whole lot of respect. It's the principle of it. I get a rush when I bust some dope lines or roll. That maybe somebody will quote. That's what I consider real in this field of music. Instead of putting brain cells to work, they abuse it. Non-conceptual, non-exceptional. Everybody's either crime related or sexual. I'm here to make a difference. Besides all the riffing to traps, I'm not sticking. Rappers stop flipping for those who pose lyrical, but really ain't true. I feel
airtime's limited, hard rock.
Like that. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Like that. BITC.
Maurice, the mad magician with the ill deposition. No repetition, holding down Bronx tradition. My composition, simply squash the competition. Step up and get beat into a submission. Cause this musician, with the street intuition. 735, fuel injected transmission. My opposition will have to recognize my steeds. Exotic trees, leave a trail of scuffed up knees. So please, you couldn't touch this cat with a stick. Quick to inflict tricks, blaze up in the flick. Son, I'm sick, and you can put that on my mama. Exclamation point, quotation, comma. Lay up on the beaches when I'm down in the Bahamas. The skills go back to the days of Wonderama. So pass the scammer. Son, it's time to get this money so we can relax and recline where it's sunny.
I went from standing on the corner selling cocaine to ripping shows live on stage for hoes yelling my name. To be precise, ripping mics is the light of my life. You frontin' like you try for never pull the heist of your life. The price of my ice is sky high. I'm a fly guy, that's every thug's dream. I really love cream, it's in my bloodstream. You mad cause I got more chicks than you, more bricks than you, more nines and extra clips than you. Where I live, it ain't a nice town. You can't walk around ice down. Some clown probably getting stuck right now. Peace to DITC, showing AG, Fat JOE, Diamond D, Lord finessing me. I'm from the East Coast, this is how we roll in New York. A bunch of rowdy niggas holding the fort. Jacking creeps, packing heat, these Harlem streets is for keeps. Much love to all my peeps who got couple sheets.
Yo, most these rap cats don't know where it started, where it came from. We've been repping this shit since day one. Digging in the crates originators. Why niggas playing haters? Knowing damn well they can't
better take me out quick, cause I'm accurate when I bust mine and make it count like Jordan at crunch time. Just in case I play Fishburne and double up on nines. You could never make it rain or stop my sunshine. So I keep eyes on these chumps the whole time. Take note of your technique like we scheme on dimes. Disregard your crew, fuck your heart. Put a slug in me, it'll be marriage till death do us part. Until then, master this art and kill them. With the pen is dramatic, automatics I commit sins. Hold my head, but when I've had it I test chins. If that ain't real and feel the stainless steel, bang them and hang them like they did our relatives. Thought he was the best on the mic that ever lived? Negative, woo diggity. If you're with me, then say word. Let's get twisted like bottle caps and create like Spielberg.
Check the referral, man, my whole squad's thorough. We worldwide, niggas just nice in one borough. We all clean, plus we fiend for more cream. You got some nice players, they just on the wrong team, nah I mean. As the world turns to who it concern, we'll set you straight like a perm. Rap apostle, lyrical type of costume, kinda hostile, nothing less than colossal. You dig me like fossils, be the cat with the groovy soul. A lot of rappers out here acting with no movie roles. You know the deal, I represent skills and niggas with big grills that live to make a meal on the real. That's my motto, too hard to follow. Will die in sorrow before I'm going out like bravado. Hard to hit like lotto, underworld role models. DITC, we beat them cats to tomorrow.
Most these rap cats don't know where it started, where it came from. We've been repping this shit since day one. Digging in the crates originators. Why niggas play haters? Why knowing damn well they can't fade us?
DITC, niggas stink like feces. Coming against raw dogs, you lost the way I assimilate rhyming, rhythmatic timing. On beat, off beat, drunk flow. Here we go, assignments handed out. Each individual stand out, carrying his own cloud. Phenomenal Moses a rap. I pose a threat, foes I put him on the block like a home in a pen. Lyrical genocide on the witty side. Niggas give me respect, dude, like the Pope in the synagogue. Who weighing my odds? OC, far from a fraud. You waste my time, nigga, so I back it broad. Blow your mind, ditto, with no conscience. I decide the law, motherfucker, I'm Congress. This concludes my repertoire, what I be on. MCs make way for mines to get peed on. Fuck that, fuck that.
Yo, I'm a team player, I could be your leader and a follower. Gun to your silence of the lad in the house. Yo, I'm a team player, I could be your leader and a follower. Yo, I'm a team player, I could be your leader and a follower. Gun to a silence of the lad in a hollow tip. And if you ask me my politic, I'ma say bitch ass niggas poppin' shit. Well, I'm the opposite. Raised as a rebel in the outlaw communities and villages. I seen the illest shit. I seen the power of the people in fucked up conditions. Snatch niggas out of them jails, I ain't kidding. Since the little months I can. In the lion's den, I got my eye on them. Fire upon them. Happy big 56 to Mumia Abu Jamal. Stand tall on that side of the wall, cause on this side, if you don't get high, it's gonna be a homicide. Soon as it's dark outside, now the only thing that's gonna save us is revolution. One nation under a roof, yeah.
Where hip hop be without the founders of the craft? See, there is no future when you disregard the past. The pioneer forces that brought forth the culture before there was a double XL or the salt. It was formed in the streets of New York in the Bronx. And a crate full of records on the block. B-boys on the cardboard spinning like tops. The skills you displayed was the way you got props.
KRS-One made a huge impact on my life. From the foods that I choose, every rhyme that I write, hip hop is the a light that exposed so much, like a mentor to a nigga growing up. It put the sag in my swag, the way that I rep. It made it okay to stay true to yourself. Ice Cube and Snoop, it ain't nothing but a G thing. Started in the park, now look at what it became.
Where would hip-hop be without the founders of the craft? See, there is no future when you disregard the past. The pioneering forces that brought forth the culture. Before there was a double XL or the salt. It was formed in the streets of New York in the Bronx. And a crate full of records on the block. E-boards on the cardboard spinning like tops. The skills you displayed was the way you got props.
Dirty Bastard. My name is Old Dirty Bastard. You know what I'm saying?
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yam, shimmy, yeah. Give me the mic so I can take it away. Off on a natural charge, bon voyage. Yeah, from the home of the Dodger Brooklyn squad. Wu-Tang Killer, beats on the swarm. Rain on your college ass disco dorm. For you to even touch my skill, you gotta go to one killer B, and he ain't for the kill now. Chop that down, pass it all around. Lyrics get hard, quick, cement to the ground. For any MC in any 52 states, I get psycho. Killer, Norman Bates. My producer slam, my flow is like bam. Jump on stage, and then I did that. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Nigga, issues between it and you well, goodness can be still hard to well, if I say that he likes it raw, keeping it dirty down to the floor. See, my name is the ODB, and I'll beat your ass. For the ladies who know me, tell them who the fuck I be. For the niggas who know me, tell them who the fuck I be. My style comes down on you like rock. In on the dock of the by the dock, by the flock, by the break, by the block. Got East Coast lockdown, padlock. My two niggas be all on down by the flock. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw.
See, we keeps it real. You can't knock what's real. See, we keeps it real. You can't knock what's real. See, we keeps it real. And we always gonna keep it real. This is Wu-Tang. We on some mad reality. We showing how the streets really is. People may knock us, you know what I'm saying, but we showing it. You can't knock what's real, you know what I'm saying. We telling the truth, man.
Isn't that power? Here it is, in the back, the dirty bastard.
Yo, you bastard, flip the fat track.
Here I go, whether friend, whether foe, let them know that I flow over the rainbow.
Hit the deck.
Oh yeah, I feel the tech, taking heads, taking necks.
What the fuck they expect?
I don't know,
I don't care,
I won't fall.
I won't stare at a hole unless I know that I'm going to the mouth.
Cause you tell,
cause I'm mousy, my technique is drowsy. Some try to foul me,
I'm saying that we're lousy,
but I'm a tyrant, defiant, walking New York giant.
President of the Woo,
but I'm also a client.
It's the Woo what?
You do what, who, what? I don't give a flying fuck about a chump, cause this heart only pumps Kool-Aid.
Snatch a kid by the break, cut his head off. Rhymes is rugged like burnt buildings in Harlem. The old dirty bastard from the temple of Shaolin. Dirty to the grain like drops of acid rain. Clang, 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 rhyme plucking at your brain. So take a sip from the cup of death, and when you're shaking my right hand, I stab you with the left.
Red alert.
Big Sean coming straight from the dirt.
Once I go berserk, mad brothers got hurt. Nothing new in 92.
It's time to go to work.
Trails, watch them scream once I hop on the scene. They fear the return of the fatal flying guillotine. Mr. Millie, that means I'm once a militant. Don't wear no suit and tie, I'm no gentleman. Getting laid, taking heads, that's my hobby. Punching mother fields in the face who call me Robbie. I be the buzzer, call me that cuzzer. Never like the name I received from my papa. 30 Deluxe, you I'm hunting for ducks. Snatching devils up by the hair, they cut his head off.